Okay, so we're doing our first test video on how to make calculus videos. Alright, so we have a question about limits, and it asks us to explain in your own words what is meant by the equation. Is it possible for the statement to be true, and yet f of 2 equals 3? And our equation that we're going to work with is that the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x actually equals 5, not 3. And so we first have to interpret and say, what the heck are they saying? So a limit is what you expect to get. So this says, as we approach 2 on the x-axis, comma, we expect to hit 5 on the y, period. Okay, so as we get closer to 2, it looks like we're going to hit 5. We're getting really close to it. Does that always happen? No. So let's see what else they say. So for the second portion, they say, is it possible for it to be true and yet f of 2 equals 3? So that's important. And the answer is, yes, that is possible. And let's give a little example here. So I'm going to draw a little axis like that, and like that, right? So we want something. Our focus is going to be the x equals 2 value, right? So I'm going to write that down, x equals 2. And we're going to say, okay, well, as it approaches 2, it should look like it's going to hit 5. So we have a 5 up here. And we're moving along, we're moving along, moving along. It looks like we're going to hit 5, but we have an open circle. And we keep moving along, right? And say it can go on forever. And we say, actually, the value there isn't 5, it's 3. That's the actual value, right? And so what's going on here is that the limit as we approach 2, so as we're moving towards 2, moving along here, getting closer, it looks like we're going to hit that 5 value. It looks like we're going to get close to it. Same if we come to the right. It looks like we're moving, and it looks like we're about to hit that 5, but we don't, and we actually have a 3 for the actual value. So, explain our own words. As we approach 2, we expect to hit 5. And is it possible? Yes, it is possible and fairly common.